Welcome to our video today, where we will explore the ancient concept of Samadhi. Samadhi is a Sanskrit word that literally means putting together or integration. In the context of yoga and meditation, it refers to a state of consciousness in which the individual self merges with the universal consciousness. For centuries, yogis and spiritual seekers have pursued this state of consciousness as the ultimate goal of their practice. But what is Samadhi, and why is it so highly regarded? To understand Samadhi, we must first understand the workings of the human mind. Our brains are constantly processing sensory information, thoughts, and emotions. We identify with these mental activities and consider them to be part of our identity. However, yogis believe that there is a deeper layer of consciousness that lies beyond the fluctuations of the mind. Through the practice of yoga and meditation, the yogi learns to quiet the mind and access this deeper layer of consciousness. This state of consciousness is known as Samadhi, and it is characterized by a sense of oneness with the universe, free from the distractions of the ego and the senses. There are several types of Samadhi, each characterized by varying degrees of depth and intensity. The first type is Savikalpa Samadhi, in which the practitioner experiences a state of deep absorption, but still retains a sense of individual identity. The next type is Nirvikalpa Samadhi, in which the individual self dissolves completely, leaving only the experience of pure consciousness. There are also other types of Samadhi, such as Sahaja Samadhi, which is a state of natural, effortless meditation, and Asamprajnata Samadhi, which is a state of consciousness beyond knowledge and perception. While Samadhi is a type of meditation, it differs from other forms of meditation in several ways. In Samadhi, the practitioner experiences a state of absorption that goes beyond the relaxation and focus achieved in other types of meditation. From a scientific perspective, Samadhi has been shown to have many benefits. Studies have found that regular practice of Samadhi can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve cognitive function, and even change the structure and function of the brain. To achieve Samadhi, one must engage in a regular practice of meditation. This involves focusing the mind on a particular object or mantra, and letting go of all distractions and thoughts. Mindfulness is a key component of Samadhi, as it allows the practitioner to remain present in the moment and avoid getting lost in thoughts and emotions. Preparing for a Samadhi session involves finding a quiet and comfortable space, setting a clear intention, and using relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or gentle yoga stretches. It is also important to be patient and persistent, as Samadhi can take time and practice to achieve. The lotus flower is often used as a symbol for Samadhi, as it grows from the mud and muck of the pond to bloom into a beautiful, pure flower. Similarly, as one progresses in the practice of Samadhi, they may experience different stages of absorption and consciousness. These stages can vary in intensity and depth, and may require overcoming various obstacles such as restlessness or distractions. The practice of yoga and meditation helps transcend limitations and connect with the true nature. The benefits of Samadhi are many and varied. They include reducing stress and anxiety, enhancing cognitive function, and improving overall well-being. Samadhi can also lead to spiritual development and even enlightenment, as the practitioner experiences a sense of connection with the universe and all living beings. In conclusion, Samadhi is a state of consciousness that is accessed through the practice of yoga and meditation. It is a state of pure awareness, free from the distractions of the ego and the senses. By accessing this state, the yogi can experience profound inner peace and connect with their true nature. We hope that this video has provided you with a better understanding of this ancient concept and inspired you to deepen your own spiritual practice. If you liked my presentation, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments section. Also, support me by subscribing to my small YouTube channel. We regularly post videos related to meditation and spirituality.